Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something that slows down so many English learners, translating in your head, and how to stop doing it so you can speak more fluently and confidently. Why translating slows you down? When you translate in your head, English becomes slow and stressful. Why? Because your brain gets stuck between two languages. You think in your native language, try to translate, then speak. It's exhausting. But what if you could skip the translation step completely? Let's look at 4 simple but powerful tips to help you stop translating and start thinking in English directly. Stop translating, learn short sentences. Instead of learning single words, learn short sentences as full ideas. For example, don't break down "I want to sleep." Just remember and use it as one full phrase. Repeat it until it becomes automatic. No translation, just use it. Talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to practice. You don't need a teacher or a partner, just you. For example, while making coffee. I'm making coffee. The water is hot. I need a clean cup. It builds confidence and trains your mouth to speak naturally. Think in English all day. Even when you're not speaking, think in English. Describe what you see, feel, or do. Try. It's a beautiful morning. That dress is blue. I forgot my keys. This keeps your brain in English mode all day. Learn phrases, not words. Words are helpful, but phrases make you fluent. Learn how words work together in real sentences. Instead of just memorizing. Apple. Try these. I eat an apple every morning. She bought some green apples. You like apples. Now you know how to use the word, not just recognize it. Practice every day, even 10 minutes helps. You don't need a perfect moment to start. No excuses. Just start with 10 minutes a day. Consistent, small practice is more powerful than waiting for the perfect time. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more.